A little while ago, I was chatting with a Wonder Weaver about storing patterns, and the Wonder Weaver said to me that she hoped I was storing my patterns in a special way. So in light of this conversation, I thought I would share with you how I store my mini patterns. In most cases, I simply keep them in this white folder. That's a bit boring, don't you think? But then for special projects, I go one step further. I found this foldable album at a thrift store about 2 years ago. I simply love the pockets, and in these I have put little treasures, such as patterns and paper dolls I've made. Do you love paper dolls, Wonder Weavers? Please share with me in the comments below. These dolls are based on patterns I drew when making my Honey Bear and Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle figures. The links to the spun cotton tutorials for both of these figures are in the description box below. And as you can see, I've also made a little hedgehog paper puppet. So there are so many things that you can do with your patterns, Wonder Weavers. Don't throw them away. You can use them in fun and creative ways to spark your imagination and even spark the imagination of others.